In this video, we'll add a Cinemachine camera, which can follow our player around the level by adding a camera package, which is called Cinemachine. We will do that by going to Window, Package Management, and Package Manager. In here, we will go to the Unity Registry tab and search for Cinemachine. I already have the package installed, but there will be an install button for you right here. When you're done installing Cinemachine, you can close out this window. And now when we right click in our hierarchy, you can see we now have a Cinemachine section. We're going to go to Cinemachine and add a 2D camera. You can now see that the camera view has already changed, and our main camera now has this little icon. That means that our main camera now has a Cinemachine brain component attached to it. To organize my hierarchy a bit, I will just right click and create an empty parent object. I will call this cameras, and I will move my main camera and my virtual camera into the empty parent. You don't need to do this. This is just me organizing my hierarchy. Now we can go to our virtual camera. I will take my player and drag into the follow window. And now when we play our game, you can see that we already have a camera following our player. You can also see in the scene view, if I choose to move my player around, the camera will follow my player as well. But of course, we don't want to show this ugly blue edge outside our level. For that, we need what is called a Camera Confiner. So if we go to our virtual camera, you can see here at the bottom, we have extensions. I can select this drop-down menu and select the Cinemachine Confiner 2D. So I will add a Cinemachine Confiner 2D, and it needs a bounding shape 2D. This bounding shape represents which area we want our camera to stay within. So I will right click in my hierarchy once again, and I will create an empty game object, which I will call Camera Confiner. In here, a simple box collider won't be enough. For this, we will need a polygon collider 2D. When we go to edit the collider, you can grab these edges and move just outside your level. So I will drag out these 5 corners. I think this could fit pretty nicely. And I will go back to my virtual camera, and I will drag in my Camera Confiner game object. I will also go ahead and change my lens ortho size to 5, as I think this is a pretty nice fit for our camera size. But I can still see some outer edges here, and I think I need to edit my collider a bit more. So this looks a bit better, and now we can play our game. But before I click play, you may have already thought of a potential problem, because if I click play, you can see our player is shot straight out the level. This is due to this huge collider which we put over our level, and now our player interacts with it. We can simply fix this by setting the collider to trigger. And now when I move my player around the level, you can see that we have a following camera. And this seems like a good time for a challenge. Try to play around with a new Cinemachine camera and adjust the properties and add extensions if you like, to make the camera act in the exact way you would like for your game. Pause the video now, give it a good go, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. Well done on this video. We now have a moving camera which follows the player around the level. In the next video, we'll add traps to our game. Until then, thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.